I really hope that when we open Newbridge and people see what long-term care could be like, it will challenge policymakers and other providers around the country to do the same, to do what we did, to take the nursing home mold, smash it, and start over again with something that is far more humane and fitting for frail elders. If you think about a typical nursing home, somebody is sharing a room with somebody else at a time in their lives when privacy and dignity are so important. You've got these long corridors, you've got basically all of the activities organized around the convenience of the institution, and a great deal of regimentation. We threw that model out and started by building something that is much more like someone's own home. In fact, we call it a household. Everyone lives in their own room, almost all of which have private bathrooms and private showers, and they're all arranged around a real kitchen that serves real food when the senior wants it. The emphasis is really on letting the senior make as many choices as possible, which is pretty much the exact opposite of what happens in a more regimented long-term care environment today.